presenter of Tech Talk is Mr. Khalid Bani, Senior Director Sales, Western Digital. He's not here? All right. The next speaker is Mr. Dinesh Kukreja, CEO, Unicast Services LLP. Let's welcome Mr. Dinesh.
Okay, good evening. So first of all, I want to congratulate all of you who has got the award of this night. So can we have a round of applause for everyone? Thank you so much. It shows that how great leaders are sitting in this room. And I'm here to represent cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and to tell about Bitcoin in this room. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, thank you so much. So Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, which is the really hot topic in India in these days. Before starting, may I have one question? How many out of you, how many people have invested in Bitcoin? Is there? Wonder. No wonder, one or two people more. My God. So this is the high-tech people, but still cryptocurrency is not there. So what is cryptocurrency? Why it is there? We called it as digital gold. And why it is gold? Because gold has got lots of faith since ages. People known with the gold, like how much gold is there, the net worth of the gold, even the countries. Because the gold has the quality for money, to exchange, the medium of exchange. But it was for the medium of exchange as money needs some more properties like durability, divisibility, fungibility, scarcity, and portability. So many properties are there. But gold has had some few limitation also. Then we shifted into paper currency. And with the paper currency, it was really great, but backed by gold. And it was going very smooth. But in 1971, when France asked for gold from the US, that, okay, take your dollars and give gold. And then some other countries also started. And that time, 1971, the president declared that, okay, now there is no need of gold backed for currency. And after that, you can see how the currencies are there. Right now, on the planet, only $12 trillion gold is available, and the currencies are more than $40 trillion, which has been printed in the market. And these currencies were printed on the basis of faith, trust. People are trusting this. But some countries failed in that trust. And that time, so many guys, because industrialization was there, and out from industrialization, we were moving into IT world. So there was something different that was required. And that time, so many people started working for that. Some of the names was like Adam and Nick Sabu and Vidai. Many people started, but nobody got any kind of success. And then after 2008, when the crisis was there, Lehman Brothers failed. That time was the time to revolution. And in 2008, a guy called Satoshi Nakamoto invented this beautiful digital currency called Bitcoin, which have all the quality, all the properties of money, which is durable, which is it's a digital currency, it's a durable, it's a portable. You can take anywhere in the world with your brain. Only 12 phrases are required. With the 12 phrases, you can take any amount with your brain. You can transfer anywhere from any to one to one. No middleman is required. First transaction happened with the Bitcoin in 2010, which was the Pizza Day, 22nd of May 2010, when the first transaction happened with Bitcoin, that with the 10,000 Bitcoin, one pizza got bought. And that was the day. And after that, you can see the growth of Bitcoin. My journey started in 2017 with the Bitcoin when it was around $400. And that time I started more and started an exchange. But in India, there was some problem and that ban came in 2018. After that, we shut down the exchange. And then in 2020, when Supreme Court declared, okay, it is not banned, we can do the transaction, then we started this crypto platform, crypto banking. With the Bitcoin, you can do anything. Like you can exchange with the goods or services also. And even in Unicash, which is the platform we have provided, you can get loan against Bitcoin. You can get saving accounts of Bitcoin. You can get interest on Bitcoin. So this is a revolutionary, futuristic asset or currency, whatever name you can give, is the Bitcoin. Today, our team is there because all our the technical people are there. So we have with us Mr. Mithilesh Jha, who is the CEO, is a technical guy. He can understand about the Bitcoin if you want to understand any question. And we have the sales team also, like Mr. Sanjeev Ojha, then our Vice President, Sonal Kukreja, and Twinkle Kukreja. So our team is there. And this future of Bitcoin is there. The future, which I can say, when the 2017 was there, I was saying that maybe it can go up to $10,000 because that time it was the $400 because of the scarcity, because of the availability, because it's only 21 million. So it was that time it was a dream that, oh my God, it can go up to $10,000. But no, it crossed. Now it's a $60,000, approximately $60,000. But still, it is a start. So you people are there who are the tech guy. So I invite everyone to understand, to get knowledge about crypto, because it is, I can say that maybe today or tomorrow, and maybe everybody has to come and understand, has to invest something. And the special thing, whenever someone has invested even $100, then only he can understand more about the Bitcoin, about the cryptocurrency. And people are there from 2017, my friends who started investing in small amount, and they never sold actually. Many people are there, they never sold till now. Now they come to me and say, "Bhai sahab, bahut badhiya hai, aapne mujhe crorepati bana diya." Like that. So this is cryptocurrency. If you have any question, we are here. We are here to serve it. And we have the physical platform also in India. We have branches in Delhi, Gujarat, Rajasthan. We are opening more branches also. So we offer partnership. We are there with you. So thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Thank you, Deepak Sahu, for this. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Dinesh Kukreja.